Hey kids, I'm back with our Chapter 15 vocabulary. Let's take a look and then we'll move on to today's vocabulary assignment. Alright, a revival is a religious meeting, generally during a revival and trying to get people back in the church and stuff like that. Revive their faith, if you will. A utopia is a community based on a vision of a perfect society. Utopias now have sort of a negative connotation. They're always the start of a thing like the Hunger Games. Alright, temperance. Drinking little or no alcohol. The temperance movement was the movement to ban booze. A normal school was a state-supported school for the training of high school graduates to become teachers. It was like the first teacher school, a normal school. Civil disobedience is refusing to obey laws considered unjust. An abolitionist is a person who sought to end slavery in the United States in the early 1800s. Suffrage is the right to vote for anyone, not just women. That's called suffrage. Fighting for suffrage, fighting to vote. And coeducation is the teaching of males and females together, like we do now. That's it. There's not a lot of words. I think it was at 8 words. Let's take a look at your assignment. It's the option assignment. We do a lot of these from here on out. Option 1, write 8 separate sentences with one vocab word in each, being sure to bold the vocab word for me or highlight it, however you want to make that look, but bolding works good. I've turned on the voice recording option, which you may feel free to use. Alright, obviously you cannot bold a word you are saying. I guess you could yell the vocab word, but that would be silly. So if you write it down, bold it. If you do it vocally, don't worry about it. Option 2. Write a story or poem using 5 vocab words. Being sure to bold those vocab words. Feel free to get creative. The story should be entertaining and not a cobbled together Frankenstein hack job like a story that's one long run-on sentence. Don't abuse this, my friends. And if I like it enough, I might just give you extra points. Usually I'll give extra points for creativity. If I see you put a lot of effort into it, like a little extra effort, or if you play it to Mr. Yun, he likes Star Wars and stuff like that, and you write me a Star Wars story, usually I'll throw you a little extra point. That's it. This is really your main opportunity to gain bonus points in my class. I don't have dedicated bonus point assignments, so the vocab assignments are it. Impress me and you can earn a few bonus points. That's it. That's it for today. We'll get into lesson 1 tomorrow. Have a good one. Let me know if you need anything.